What if you could turn a solid block of metal into a perfectly precise part every single time? Before CNC machining, parts were made by hand. This required skilled labor, took more time, and as designs became more complex, producing identical parts became increasingly difficult. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC machines follow numerical code instructions to guide a cutting tool along different axes with extreme precision and stability, removing material from a workpiece to create the desired shape. The CNC machining process begins with a CAD design of the part. This file is imported into CAM software, where the cutting process is simulated and translated into machine-readable instructions called G-code. The G-code is then uploaded to the CNC machine, and the workpiece is manually secured inside. Once started, the machine executes the code automatically, completing the entire subtractive machining process with minimal human intervention. CNC machining is preferred for its tight tolerances, often within plus or minus 0.001 inches, and even tighter when using specialized machines and precision cutting tools. So what are the axes of CNC machines? Most CNC machines are 3-axis, meaning the cutting tool moves along the X, Y, and Z axes to shape the material. 5-axis CNC machines move along these same 3 axes, but also rotate the tool or the part around 2 additional axes. This allows for more complex geometries, deeper pockets, and hard-to-reach undercuts, all in fewer setups. CNC is a broad term that covers many machining processes, including CNC milling, CNC turning, laser cutting, CNC drilling, and a whole industry built around automated, repetitive, and precise manufacturing of parts.
PartMFG is an ISO-certified company with 5-axis machining capabilities and specialized part production. Reach us for all your manufacturing needs.